You're watching Markets4you, a daily video cast that covers market news and shares trading signals from experts. I'm Andrew Whitelaw. First, the US dollar. The dollar rose on Friday after the Michigan Confidence Survey showed a much higher than expected rise in consumer confidence, leading to renewed hopes that the recovery was back on track. The greenback ended the day at 1.3360 to the euro and 93.44 to the yen. Next to the euro. The euro rose on Friday after comments from the head of the Bundesbank suggested the ECB would probably not lower interest rates despite recent poor growth data. The single currency ended the day at 1.3360 to the euro and 124.90 to the yen. Today's economic news includes commentary from ECB's Mario Draghi, President Herman Van Rompuy, and the Bank of Spain bad loans data. British pound. The pound rebounded from new lows on Friday to pare its early losses and end the day on a high. Initially disappointing retail sales data weighed, but later the pound recovered after a general rise in global risk appetite. Sterling ended the day at 1.5515 to the dollar and 0.8608 to the euro. Japanese yen. The yen weakened on Friday after the G20 held back from criticizing the BOJ's extremely loose policy stance and the pro-weak yen agenda of the new government. The Japanese currency ended the day at 93.44 to the dollar and 124.90 to the euro. The focus for today's economic news will be the release of the minutes from the January BOJ rate meeting. And now the section you've been waiting for, market tips. Forex4you, in cooperation with Trading Central, one of the leading American financial advisors, provides you daily trading signals from experts in the field. If your pair is euro versus US dollar, our preference is to open short positions below 1.338 with 1.3305 and 1.326 in sight. The upside breakout of 1.338, which will open the way to 1.3415 and 1.344. If you trade British pound against US dollar, our preference is to open short positions below 1.5545 with 1.545 and 1.541 as next targets. The upside breakout of 1.5545, which will open the way to 1.56 and 1.5635. If your pair is US dollar versus Japanese yen, our preference is to open long positions above 93.25 with 94.45 and 95 as targets. The downside breakout of 93.25, which will open the way to 92.75 and 92.15. Good luck and happy trading. Tune in tomorrow for the latest market news and trading tips.